Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you step by step how to delete past Twitch streams. The first thing you need to do is log into your Twitch account. Once you are signed in, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Creator Dashboard. This is where you can manage all of your content and settings as a streamer. Inside the Creator Dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Find and click on Content. Under Content, you will see a section called Video Producer. Select Video Producer, and it will open a page with a list of your past broadcasts, highlights, and other uploaded videos. On this page, you can see all the streams that Twitch saved for you. By default, Twitch keeps past broadcasts for a limited time depending on your account type. If you want to delete one of them, hover your mouse over the video you want to remove. You will see a three-dot icon appear on the right side of the video title. Click on the three dots and a small menu will appear with different options. One of these options is Delete. Select Delete and Twitch will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this video. Once you confirm, the video will be permanently deleted and it cannot be recovered. That is the complete process. Thanks for watching.